Hey, what's up guys? This is Nubswag, and what you're looking at right here is a completely randomly generated and procedurally infinite world. I've spent the last 6 months of 2024 working on this project, and I spent the first 4 months writing all of the procedural generation code on my own, and I made it pretty far, but it was honestly incredibly difficult. Recently, I discovered an incredible library by Denis Pakhunov for procedural generation, and this library significantly simplified the generation process. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce Denis's name correctly. I'm trying my best. My girlfriend is Slavic, and I asked her to help me. Anyway, I grew up in Colorado, which has lots of mountains, and so it always bugged me that mountains in video games were really pointy, like in Skyrim, instead of being sprawling and massive, like in real life. So I spent the following 2 months getting the sprawling mountains that you see here the way I wanted them. My overall vision is to create a survival game inspired by games like DayZ and Minecraft, which are my 2 favorite games of all time, alongside a heavy focus on exploration and with my own game set in the late medieval period. The next thing I'm going to implement are to add points of interest like villages and castles, and then NPCs to inhabit those villages. I want to plug in my NPCs to ChatGPT so that they have infinite dialogue, including backstory knowledge of the world's lore. And I know that sounds pretty ambitious, but I actually have a lot of experience in JavaScript and React, and I use those a lot to mess around with Anthropic AI's Claude to create website clones that use the API keys from Anthropic to get around their usage limits. So it's just a matter of seeing if I can figure out all of that with libraries for C# instead of for Node and JavaScript. Anyway, thanks guys for watching my 5th devlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. And oh, by the way, the music in this video is also randomly generated with artificial intelligence and then selected by me.